Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Profitable Options. Today I want to take only 3 trades, and like I said previously, for every trade that you take you should risk only about 1 to at max 3% of your capital. All right, because you really have to protect your investment. You should not think more of making money. What should be your number one priority is to protect your capital. If you protect your capital, making your profit, we come along as you follow your strategy. All right, so do not trade more than 30% of your capital. All right, so like I said previously, also I do not like using indicators other than horizontal and vertical lines. All other indicators I believe are lagging indicators. The price action that I use to trade is a leading indicator. All right, so I like using the line, horizontal line and vertical line where necessary, and I like taking my trade also around the support and resistance area. Support is where buyers are queuing up to buy, while resistance are where sellers are queuing up to sell. Okay, so I'm going to take only 3 trades, and after that I am done. Now this trade, this pair Euro USD is actually going up, so I am going to be buying. I will not be selling at this point, okay, because I've seen that it's trending up. Or like as always, the trend is your friend. Do not go against the trend. If it's trending up, you flow along with the trend, you buy. If it's trending down, you flow along with the trend, you sell. So as it is, I will never take a sell trade here. I will only take a buy trade. All right, so and the trade is going to run for 1 minute. Okay, it's coming down to this resistance. So if it gets down to this resistance, to this support, I am going to place a buy trade, because I can see that it's trending up and it's on a, okay, I will have to place a buy trade here. Okay, so I placed the buy trade here because I have seen that it is above the resistance and it's been going up and down, and also it's on an uptrend. So I will be at an advantage if I take a buy trade, because if I take a sell trade, it can just continue to go up since it's on an uptrend. So I've taken a buy trade, and so let's see the profit I'll be getting at the end of the day. At the end of this trade is $261.71, but let's see how it's going to end. It's remaining just a few seconds to go. Let's wait and see the result. I'm very sure that it's going to close above this price because it's been hovering around here. When it gets to this support, it bounces back up. The buyers push the price up. Okay, so I think I've won this trade. Okay, so this is the first trade, so it's remaining 2. Now if I also win the second one, then I'll stop trading. I will not trade again. I will not be greedy to go for the third one. All right, so let me look for another one. Now this also, he's hovering, this US 100 also is hovering around this support and resistance area. So let's see. It's not actually trending, at least for this for about maybe 1 hour. It's been going sideways, so I'm going to be taking my trades around the support and resistance area. Okay, now this is support. Let me draw another support line. Okay, draw another support line, so you can see that it's been hovering around here. Okay, another one. Okay, let me place this one here. Okay, so it's been hovering around here. So I cannot, it's not actually going up or down, it's going sideways. So I'll just, if I am to trade this, I'll just be picking my trades here and here, support and resistance. But let me be patient and wait and go to the next chart. Okay, so this one is trending down. You can see it's on the downtrend. and I would take a trade here if it gets back to this resistance. It's been trending down. You can see up and down. All right, we can see these higher lows and lower lows. If I pick my trend line and place it here, you can see. Okay, so this is okay. Let me place another one. Just another one here. Okay, here. Right, so we can see it's trending down. Okay, and so we can it's above this. For this trend line, this is a resistance, while this is a support, but the price is above this resistance. Okay, so when it gets here, that's when I think I'll place a trade, because this is a safe place to place a trade, not here. Let me see how US 100 is doing. Okay, US 100 got to this point, and this candlestick is a big candlestick, so there's a possibility that it's going to break out. All right, because it is very big. But however, history has shown that it's been going up and down around this area. So let me wait. If I want to take a trade, I can wait for it to get here before I place a trade. Okay, suppose this candlestick close here, I would have placed a sell trade. So right now I have to wait for it to get here before I place a trade. But let me see the other one. Okay, you can see that this one is still trending up. I will not be greedy to start chasing after trade here. I'll wait for it to come here once again to place a trade. I think let me wait for this US 100, and then when it gets here, I'll place a trade. Okay, so let's be patient. I'm going to pause this video. When it gets to this point, I'm going to come back again to place a trade. All right. Okay, I'll place a trade now, right, because I've seen that. Okay, all right, so I just placed a trade here. I haven't seen that it got to this point, and I'm expecting it to reverse. Okay, because it has been hovering here. All right, but let's wait and see. It's actually going strong above it, but let's wait and see how it's going to close, because this is a strong resistance. It will take a strong force for the buyers to really push it out. Okay, I've lost this trade. Okay, so it's remaining one more trade. After this last one, I'm not going to take any other trade. Okay, so let's see. It has actually broken out. It's because this candlestick closed above this one, so it has broken out, so that it's likely to get to this point. Okay, but let's wait and see. Let me check the other one. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and wait till I see another opportunity, then I will start the video again. Okay, there's an opportunity here for me to buy, so when it gets close to this, I'm going to take a buy trade, because I can see that this is a support area, and the buyers are here, so I'm going to place a buy trade around this area. When it gets to 30, I'm going to actually place a trade at this point. Let me see. Okay, so 2 1, good. So I just placed a buy trade here because this is a buyer's area. So the buyer's area is a strong area. It's trending up. actually, and of course I wouldn't want to go against the trend, and so that was why I placed a buy trade here, and we can see that it's going up. Now when we go against the trend, that is when the trend is going to be our enemy, but when we trade and flow along with the trend is going to be our friend. Okay, so this is a good opportunity for me, so let's wait and see the result. When we go back, you see that it's actually trending up for some hours now. It's been going up. All right, so if you are trading binary options or the normal forex, it is not good to trade against the trend. It is good to flow along with the trend. All right, and let's see what the result will be. Okay, actually won this trade. All right, so this is the third trade. Like I said I was going to take only 3 trades. I won the first trade, lost the second one, and then I won this one. That's 3 trades. Okay, so but I'm in a profit because I won 2 and I lost 1. All right, thank you very much for actually watching to this time. I highly appreciate you. Now please kindly support this channel by liking and subscribe to this channel, so that subsequently as I upload more of these videos, you'll be one of the first to see it. All right, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to analyze each candlestick before you place a trade. I didn't really do an in-depth analysis before placing these trades. Based on my experience, that was what I used to place a trade. But for your own understanding, in my next my next video, now that will be next week, because today and day after tomorrow is weekend and the market will be closed on the weekend, except you want to trade OTC market, and OTC market is not a real-time market. All right, so from Monday I'm going to show you how I properly analyze each candlestick, going back to several hours, to the current hour, to the current minutes before placing a trade. You can see that I do not have any indicator here. All right, I like using my horizontal lines especially to draw my support and resistance, because I take my trades around the areas of support and resistance. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next time. Once again, do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.